Good morning to all. Today's my topic is PBR 322. PBR 322 was one of the artificial cloning vector. This artificial cloning vector was constructed by Bolivar and Rodriguez in 1977. A vector is a molecule of DNA where DNA of interest can be integrated. Figure indicates all the silent features of the vector. PBR 322 is commonly used plasmid cloning vector in E. coli. The molecule is a double-stranded circle 4361 base pairs in length. PBR 322 contains the genes for resistance to ampicillin and tetracycline and can be amplified with the chloramphenicol. The molecular weight is 2.83 into 10 to the power of 6 daltons. Essential properties of vectors are capable of autonomous replication within the host cell, contains at least one restriction endonucleotide, carries at least one gene that can be used to select the cloned vector, such as an antibiotic resistant gene or selected markers. What is plasmid? Plasmids are extra chromosomal DNA molecules. They are small, circular, and have an ability to replicate autonomously. Replication of plasmid is not under the control of chromosomal DNA. They are mostly found in bacteria. Some of the eukaryotes like yeast and plants also contain plasmids. Their ability to replicate independently makes a plasmid cloning vector in the recombinant DNA technology for transferring and manipulating genes. Many antibiotic resistant genes in bacteria are present in plasmids. The size of plasmid varies from a few base pairs to thousands of base pairs. Plasmids also get transferred from one bacterial cell to another by the process of conjugation. Plasmids carrying a specific gene are introduced into a bacteria cells which multiply rapidly, and the required DNA fragment is produced in larger quantities. Plasmids are used to prepare a recombinant DNA with a desired gene to transfer genes from one organism to another. This is known as genetic engineering. Plasmids have their own origin of replication, and they replicate along with the cell so that each daughter cell possesses a copy of the plasmid also. Apart from the origin of replication, often it contains genes for antibiotic resistance, for the production of toxins, and other useful genes that may be required for the survival of the cells. ORI, origin of replication. It is a DNA sequence where initiation of replication starts. Selectable markers are for selecting the bacteria containing desired plasmids, example antibiotic resistant genes and other specific genes. Multiple cloning factors. Recognition site to insert foreign DNA fragment by using restriction enzymes.